With the new year comes new tax rules. There will be no paper returns this tax season. Also, you'll need a bank account or some other way to receive a direct deposit if you expect a refund. Other options could be mobile payment apps like PayPal, Chime, or Venmo. The One Big Beautiful Bill, which was signed into law in July, will mean other changes for the tax year 2025. Some income from certain tips won't be federally taxed. And the new law creates a first-of-its-kind tax exemption for certain overtime pay in tax year 2025.
You will have to have some type of a statement from your employer verifying what those tips and what the overtime amount was in order to put that on your tax return. Like I said, we're not sure what that's going to look like, but we'll figure it out, and as details are released, we'll have that information.
And if you need help filing your taxes before April 15th, there is help available for those on a fixed income. The Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, or VITA program, will file your taxes for free, but only if you earn $69,000 or less in 2025. VITA volunteers see about 2,800 people in a tax season. For your appointment, be sure to bring a valid photo ID for the taxpayer and spouse, Social Security cards for everyone on the tax return, and income tax forms. The information to schedule an appointment, it's inside this story at KTIV.com.